guys, Minecraft Destroyer, and today I'm going to show you how to build this Lego puzzle box. So first I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay. Hold on. I need to find something to put this again. Okay, so hold on. I didn't think this through. Okay. Gosh. Okay, here, let me go over here. Ugh. I had to chip this over for all my Legos that I needed. Then I had to look for all the Legos that I needed to make this, so. Kitty cat. We're okay, how about right here? Okay, so. I hope you can see that. Okay, so. Okay, good. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna show you how it works. So, your friends or family try to open this, but so what you want to do? Wait, hold on one sec. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to. Well, I'm gonna give you a 360 view first. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to pull this out, this piece here out. It's a little hard. So you pull that piece out and see, it goes in like this. Well, I figured I'm not gonna make it. I could just show you how it works. Then you get this thing, and you stick it in here, and you have to do it quite a few times. And then people are like, I wonder how you open this. Then you come along and do that. You put the top open a little, and there, so you can take it out. Okay, so this is the top. So this is what's inside. It's just, this is like, just slides in there. And this, so this slides in there like that. And this slides in here like this. Oops. Okay. And this slides in here like this. Okay. So, also, if you take this piece off here, get this piece, and push. Okay, so, and push. Whoops. That didn't work. Let me try again. Let me try again. Okay, so push this and pop. This comes out, and you can put your money in there. I have a dollar bill in there. It's kind of hard to get it in. You can make it bigger if you wanted. It's just. Oop. Okay, so this is on a 8 by 8 base plate, and I built it up 5 blocks high, and then a half slab on top. Then a half slab on top. a half one on top, and then where'd my thing go? What am I like? Okay, am I going or behind? Okay, so sometimes the money will get like stuck in that, and then it's like that. Okay, so then we'll just slide that back in there. Put this sucker back on. This. Oh! Oh shit. Okay, there we go. Put that back on. Slide this back in. Ah! Brick! Okay, and you guys are probably wondering why is this here? And so they can't slide it out. That's my Lego puzzle box. Bye.